going on, good people? I hope everybody out there is doing well. I'm Seabreeze, and I want to welcome you guys to my channel, Pay Yourself Back, guys, where it's always about sharing and spreading good, positive energy, guys. And listen, it is another beautiful day here in South Florida, guys. I am in Fort Lauderdale, guys, getting ready to do a jet ski ride. I was in the Keys last weekend at the John Penny Camp Coral Reef State Park, and today in Fort Lauderdale, guys. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm not going to talk too much, guys. I will leave all the information in the description. So if you guys are ever in Fort Lauderdale, check out the Fort Lauderdale Watersports. I was about to say water park. Watersports. Guys, listen, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And to all of my subscribers, I appreciate you guys supporting me. So I'm not going to talk too much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Later. Good, good, good.
If you guys fall off the jet ski, excuse me, right here on the back they got ladders. You simply push on it down, put one foot or knee on there. You're gonna put the other one on the platform. You're gonna grab both sides of the ski, of the seat, put your other knee, take a second, stand up, sit down. You have to straddle it, all right? You have to get up from the back. So you sit up, sit, and then slide forward. If you get on from the side, it will flip over. If it flips over, it's important we flip it back over as fast as we can. I'll be there to help you guys. It's really easy though, they make it easy. Underneath the boat, right around where this area is, where the other seat is, there's a hole. You get from the side, you grab it, kind of like you're dunking on a rim. Just pull back on it like you want to shack, break that, bam, and it'll flip right over. All right, it does the work for you guys. When I push you in the water here, you guys are gonna follow me to the ocean. All right, it's a no wake zone. I'm gonna have my eye out looking for cops just so we can speed up and get as much time as we can out there. But be advised, like, just follow my pace, all right? Stay close. I want everybody, it's just a couple of us, so it's always easier than when we have a 9-person group, you know? But if we stay close to each other, behind, just follow me like a row of ducks. We'll get there quickly, we'll have some fun, we'll get back safe.
right, bro? Y'all good?
I told you, you're gonna get wet.
Yeah.